Shashank Srivastava, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales with Maruti joins us. Shashank, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Your month-on-month sales have declined by 20% in November. What has led to that, and is this a one-off?
Yeah, so I think when you are saying month on month, you're comparing November figures with October ones. October, remember, was a record month. 391,000 vehicles in the industry. And there was obviously a build-up to the festive season because in the month of November, in the first fortnight, we had the Diwali, the Dhanteras, the Bhai Dooj. So obviously there was some build-up of stocks by the dealers in anticipation of good retails in the first fortnight of November. So that does not exist for December, because December everybody would like to carry lower stocks and try to reduce as much as inventory as possible for the previous year's model year. So I think if you look at November on its own, it's the highest ever sales for November in the passenger vehicle industry. So I think it's been very positive. Going forward though, because the stock levels are at slightly elevated levels, I would expect December wholesales to be down, and then Q4 onwards should be, again, given the current levels of indicators of bookings and inquiries, I think it should be okay.
Right. Shashank, inventory at all-time high levels. Would you like to stick to your previous view that, they're still not at alarming levels? And if not, then what gives you the confidence to say so?
Yeah, so when we had this interaction, I think on the first week of November, obviously the inventory levels were expected to fall because of the better retails in the first fortnight because of the festive season. That has happened. However, subsequently, we have seen wholesales from OEMs, and the inventory level is, although a little corrected, but still in that high range of 330,000, which is roughly about 30 days of stock. Now, there's a difference between these stock levels, even if you're at similar levels on 1st of December versus 1st of November. So in November, you expect retails to be, it's a build-up to the festive season, but in terms of 1st December, obviously you would like to go down from this level of stocks, and that is why I'm saying that you would see higher levels of push from OEMs and the dealers to reduce stocks in December. It's not a very unusual phenomena, but obviously we will have to retail a large number of vehicles in December so that the stock at the December end comes to a very safe and low level.
Given the price hike planned in Jan, what are the expectations for December sales, especially for entry-level cars? Where will the discounts go?
Yes, so I think, as I just mentioned, everybody would like to keep stocks low at the end of December. That means the wholesale should not be large in the month of December from the OEM side, and also a big push in retails for the month of December. And that means that for some models where the stock levels are skewed towards the higher side, maybe let's say about 40 days of inventory or 45 days of inventory, those models will see a higher retail push. And I would expect, therefore, that the discount levels in those models will go up. But of course, it really varies from geography to geography and dealer to dealer, the stock levels. And one of the critical factors for discounting to go up or down is how much is the supply with respect to demand. So I would again reiterate my earlier thought, which is you would see elevated levels of discount. It's not just about small cars, although I think those cars are under larger stress, and therefore it is expected discount levels will continue to be high in this segment. But then it would be across, and I would say that every model stock at the end of December should be low from the perspective of dealers as well as from the OEMs.
Shashank, great to have you today on the show. Thanks for highlighting what your reading and takeaway has been from the monthly auto sales numbers.